In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a TechShark X11 sensor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using an TechShark X11 and it's giving you trouble, either because of the sensor or related to software problems, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to have it solved. So, one of the simplest fixes is to check the mode that is currently set on the X11. This will be done by using the mode switch button, so as you can see here on the bottom of the mouse. So make sure that you unplug it from your PC while you do this to ensure that it doesn't get messed up. And now, using the mode switch button located here on the X11, you will be able to change between all of the connection types. So the X11 offers a wired mode, a 2.4 gigahertz mode, which is considered wireless and what I believe most people will want to use. And finally, Bluetooth, which has a lot of latency even though it is wireless. So what you have to do is choose the appropriate one. So press and hold the mode switch button until you see the corresponding LED blink. So each of these LEDs is going to correspond to a specific connection type. So this is why it's important to set up the correct mode. If you want to use the dongle and use it wirelessly with the best latency possible, set it to 2.4 gigahertz. So press and hold the mode switch button until you see the LED labeled as 2.4 gigahertz blink rapidly. Once that is done, then you can go ahead and replug the dongle into your PC. If you want to use it wired, set up the wired mode and then input the USB cable into the mouse and the other end into the PC. And if you want to use it over Bluetooth, set up the mode, start the pairing process for Bluetooth, and then you will be able to select it from the list of available devices. If it still doesn't work, make sure that the sensor is not being obstructed, clean any sort of dust or debris that might have made its way into the insides of the sensor, so clean it thoroughly, and restart your computer. You can also try downloading or updating the TechShark software. I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed to the channel. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. It helps us a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.